Hello, today I will teach you on how to put your text behind the image. So let's straight away go ahead. First of all, let me maximize this image so that I can use the full screen. So first of all, I will go here and duplicate layer before doing anything, okay? So, okay. Now what I'm gonna do is, I have two layers already. So I'll take the new layer and then select the pen tool. Make sure you select this pen tool and then cover up this area as neat as possible, but for now I will just show you how to do. Okay. So when you have done everything, make sure that when you join this round one comes. The round, now there is only pen tool. Now when you bring it here, you will find one round image. So click here. So that means you have selected all the areas. So what we can do is click here and make selection. So when you click here, fader radius you can set to 0, but I'm setting it to 2, no problem. You can just play around. Now what we need to do is okay, select this selection tool, magic wand tool. Yeah, magic wand. Click here and click select inverse, because we're going to select the background now and leave behind this foreground. So we're gonna select inverse. Now we have selected the background only. So what we can do is erase the background, eraser tool, magic eraser tool, and then erase everything. Yeah, so it's erased. Okay, so disable this background and then clear some part of it. So we are gonna clear all these stuffs. So to make it easier, we can go to eraser tool, block, and okay, you can erase. So now we are done. It's neat and clean. But so what you need to do is enable this view so it becomes the same. So now we're going to go ahead with the text. So click on this T and then write the text. So we are going to write text. Okay, let me put caps. T-E-X, the text behind. Text behind. But this text is in front of this girdle, right? So we're gonna put this layer below the background, so this comes behind. So what we're gonna do is we can increase like this. Okay, but I'll delete this text layer. So let me separately type text, EXT text, and then bring it down. Bring it down and choose a more appropriate one, text. So this is how it works. Text. We're gonna select new text tool and then right here behind, HIND, behind. So the same problem happens. So when you want to move this text behind, then bring this down like the same text. So here you have text behind. Control A and make the text smaller. Control Shift, smaller arrow, drag here, text behind. We can make it smaller either way, like this also. Click selection tool and then bring it here. So here it comes, text behind. I hope this is clear. So if you want to watch more, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please reach out in the comment.